Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called TUGA, T-U-G-A. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your data. So before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TUGA ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files because this TUGA extension has been appended to the file name. So when you try to open any file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this TUGA extension. Not sure what exactly this TUGA means. For instance, in Ukrainian, TUGA means sorrow about something or sorrow for some person. But maybe this is not what the developers of this ransomware meant. Anyway, the ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the funds. Don't pay that ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page, the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So do not skip that important step. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. And of course, it helps to remove this ransomware. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the generalized summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually. Based on the summary of threats, you will be able to know their locations. But I recommend that you consider premium license of Combo Cleaner. So you can upgrade to premium, and this premium license will help to get your data protected from further ransomware attacks. You may always request for the free trial. And finally, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.